Woohoo! I did it! I won the grand prize for the best project. I'm super happy. Come on, let me tell you everything from the beginning. Hey everyone, my name is Max and I just got the news. My project won. 4 months ago, I entered a competition organized by Shaper 3D. The task was to design a modular festival booth that would catch the eye and be practical. After 2 weeks, I submitted my project and it worked out. And here's the grand prize, the XTOOL S1. For my very first test, I engraved a cutting board made of beech wood. I designed a pattern inspired by LV in collaboration with Supreme. I wanted to see what the 10-watt laser was capable of. I set the power to 100% and the speed to 300 millimeters per second. It looked pretty good on camera, but I wanted a darker effect and better engraving quality. I found a design in Canva made up of thin lines. I added a dark icon and adjusted the laser setting. I lowered the speed from 300 millimeters per second to 260, increased the quality from 100 to 140, and kept the power unchanged. The final result turned out really nice. The lines are sharp, the text is clear and dark. Thanks to the reduced speed, the dark icon gained texture, exactly the effect I was going for. What do you think? Feel free to share in the comments. Those two helped this video as well included being an investment those. With the XTOOL laser, you get a starter pack of materials, a really nice touch, even in the basic version I received. The pack includes 4 A4 size samples, 3mm plywood, soft and pleasant eco leather, black acrylic sheet, laser engraving photo paper, a stone coaster, 2 glass discs with a hole, and 2 thick round hanging tags. To sum it up, the XTOOL S1 with a 10-watt laser module is an awesome tool for engraving and small-scale cutting. I want to explore the full potential of this machine, so I ordered a set of accessories that will let me work with different materials. Today, I installed the riser base, which allows me to engrave larger objects. We'll be testing it together in future episodes, along with the more powerful 40-watt laser module and the RA2 Pro, which lets you engrave round and oval objects like mugs and glasses. If you're into this kind of content, follow my channel and drop a comment. I'm off to work on the next video. See you soon.